what you mean my generosity? You're gonna pay for it.
I will play double for you. But
Oh,
first
thank
of
you,
all,
thank you.
you're welcome. Thank you for your generosity. And
You are also very kind to come join in the celebration today.
Yeah.
And I hope Thompson and Janice will produce another one.
Abing nasaan? Kumadayo ka na ay.
Tayo mo ta? Bakit? Sino tayo mo ta? Kuya. Uy, let's let's eat na.
May ayong
Okay, let's blessing sa pagkain. Salamat po sa pagkain ito na binigay sa amin. Salamat po sa mga okasyon na binigay sa amin. Salamat sa pagkain ito sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Amen.
Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers!
Love you! Cheers!
Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers, ladies. Enjoy. Please enjoy. It's not open.
Comic mo ko. First mango. Pagpian?
Ate awan di.
Yes.
Librano.
Samyan! Bakit? Akin na dito.
Cheers, cheers.
Anime. Ayaw niya. Kain daw muna tayo. Sister, we have our own serving. Serve chopstick. So you get this.
I think this.
Sabali sa pagkain. Sabi mo lang
I think this is extra. Yeah, extra. This one in the middle.
Kain. Kain po tayo. Kala ko live. Video. Video lang. Mag-iikot nga, walang signal.
Oh, very good. I need to remember.
Sasala ka na ito ng bahay. Ay, sasala ka
Cellphone?
Hindi ka na dito.
Dahil?
This is my cell phone. This is your phone? Still, but I saw it before it say we started. No power. The phone.
No internet.
A while ago.
No, they have a Wi-Fi.
A Wi-Fi, but I don't know. A while ago is...
You can using the Wi-Fi.
Yes, I used a while ago, but it's...
Oh, that is pain. The connection not good.
Hindi, tanda kami. Palisto pa.
Very.
It's not re-recording, right?
Recording? Little ha? 36.
This is online.
Online?
Yeah, online.
No.
Because this auntie is a YouTuber. I know, vlogger.
Yeah. So see me on the YouTube and see our photos and videos in there.
So you can see your face later.
Oh, okay. So you
So
have
no need to eat first, right?
you have a YouTube channel, eh?
Yes, I have.
Okay. So we will like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, yes, that's very good.
Thank you. Oh, you can subscribe.
You can search now. You can search now and like and subscribe. Vicky Vlog 08 after eating.
Well, you can financially support her now. $50 like that.
Sabi mo muna pangalan mo.
I'm Rachel.
Okay. Hi,
Sa
Rachel.
akin yan.
Yeah, Rachel. Hi.
Yes.
Rachel.
Ang wish ko kay Sander is sana maging mabait siya, maging matalino, at maging masunurin sa magulang. And maging matalino, of course, sa school. Gaya ng mga aunties. Yes.
Sorry.
These two are the sister.
Yeah. Yun lang, the best na wish ko kay Sander.
Thank you, Rachel.
Oh, and
Next.
And pahabol pala,
Oh, pahabol.
sana lumaki siyang may takot sa Diyos.
May yun na sanang sasabihin.
Pwede namang repeat.
Yan.
Repeat na lang. Okay, copy-paste
Pwedeng
mo.
copy-paste.
Sabi niyo lahat.
Where is Sander?
Here is Sander. Tapos, second is
Thank you very
So
much.
you
wait, sis. I need to take
You need to take picture of this one. This one also.
pagkatapos daw mag-speak, ibigay mo yung
Sander!
May bigay ko na.
Thank you very much.
Sige na.
I'm Luz So ang wish ko kay Sander, sana maging paglaki niya, good health, and then may takot siya sa Diyos, gaya ng parents niya. At sana matalino, yun lang.
Thank you. Next. Who's our next?
Jacob.
Okay.
Ibigay mo
That's okay. It's just turn na.
Just turn around.
You don't say something, yeah?
Pangalan mo daw.
Gusto okay lang. Ang tama i-ditin mo na camera.
My name is Enrique. So, ang wish ko din naman sa kay Sander, Alexander is yun, sana i-bless ni God para lumaki siyang healthy and may takot din sa Diyos at lalong-lalo na masunurin na bata sa kanyang mga magulang para siyempre tawag ako ang Tagalog.
You can
Grow up in your
in our mother tongue. Yeah? Mother tongue.
That's it.
The people have different area.
Next.
There are different sounds.
Hain. Muni pugaw ah.
It's only small people say.
Bagitan na siya kumit pinakasamwan na di ay. Uy, madi. Sige, kita lahat naman eh.
Your turn, ma. You say in the camera.
Layo naman si Rodalyn. At ang wish ko kay Sander ay lumaki siyang malusog. At saka mabait. Ay takot sa Diyos. And then, yun lang. Para may iba ka.
Yun lang.
Huwag maging
How about
big boy.
them? They
Yeah.
always say,
Not yet.
What do you know?
yun lang. Then it's no more.
That's it.
Wala.
Thank you very much. Ikaw na, be?
Thank you, man.
Ako.
Frank.
For Alice.
Sabihin mo yung pangalan mo.
Want me and you say?
This is, my name is Francesca. This is for Alexander in Colossians 3, chapter 20. Verse 20, children, obey your parents in everything for these places. Amen.
Thank you. Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you.
Your turn, Jay.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yes.
Say your name.
My name is Jay, and I am from St. Andrew's Church. And yes, good for Alexander. That yes, I wish him all the best. That he will grow in a healthy, healthy life. And I know there will be a lot of challenge ahead of him and his family. Yes, I pray him that he will grow beyond good. Yeah, and God will always watch over him.
Yeah.
Your turn.
I think I've said a lot. My name is Abel, but just to add it to what I said earlier, really something to be praised to Alexander, and my best wishes that he will be a know the meaning and purpose in his life, and that he'll be smart and will be accomplish good blessings to the family and to his sister Esther back in Philippines as a big family.
Thank you.
Back to the sisters.
Back to sister. Wheeler, your turn.
Huwag niyo sa akin yung camera.
No, lahat yan.
Kasi, you can put here first. Hindi ko na sasabihin yung pangalan ko. Kilala niyo na ako. Ay, bakit? Sige na! Kasi bakit may examted ba? Please go kay Baby Alexander.
We need to also point.
Nakita mo ba eh? Pakinggan ko nga. Saka may dapat sa Diyos. And then,
They're saying that,
yun lang. Nawala.
maybe we're not
Kailangan sa wine. Nawala. Kailangan yata mag-wine muna. Mag-wine muna. Mag-wine muna bago ano. Mag-wine.
Licha, your turn. Licha.
I'm your turn. Okay, wala naman akong masasabi. I'm the one of Auntie Lydia. Yes. Wala na akong masabi kasi nasabi na lahat. Yun lang, masasabi ko, yung tawag doon, lumaki siyang healthy, and then may takot sa Diyos din. Tapos, yun, maging masunurin din sa mga magulang at mag-aral lang mabuti. Okay. Wala na akong masabi talaga kasi nasabi na lahat. Okay, babush!
Pakinggan natin yan.
Bye, that's all.
Ay, about you. That's all.
It's song yan. So, they have already said everything. So, my wish is just grow according to the will of God and be good like me always, of course. And we hope that you will still have a little sister. Oh, diba? Did you hear that? Brother, did you hear that?
What?
Did you hear? You cannot hear.
the sister.
Did you hear what my
No,
wish?
no, I don't hear. Let me hear. Please repeat again. What is your wish?
I wish to have a little sister more, one more for Songyan.
So we
Yeah.
had, so my family will be 3 members.
Yes, of
Esther,
course.
Alexander,
And
one son, small
one more.
sister.
4 members.
Yeah.
Four members for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. And God bless. We love you very, very much.
Tapos na.
Okay, okay, my turn. Thank you.
Kainan na.
Okay, your response.
Response.
Your turn. You want to say?
It's your turn.
You want to say anything? Okay, hello guys. My name is Thompson. I'm the father of the unseen boy. Thank you all for your blessing. Cheers.
And when Alexander is able to watch that and can listen what you're saying, we're gonna watch everything here.
Yes,
Your
that's
presence also to stand up when you grow
Memory
up
time.
and can watch the video.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you for the broadcasting. You are the one who stole this video for us. Very good.
Your message.
Okay. You say I make another baby girl. Come back. Then your son AJ had to marry her and stay with her. And then your son AJ had to stay with my Esther first. Okay. No, I'm not drunk. Just joking. Okay. Thank you all for your comment and thank you for your blessings. May God bless you all abundantly, healthily, and also bless your family, each one of your family. Also be good witnesses of God and be holding the banner of God. Let more people know God's name and feel God's love. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, you want to say something? Certainly. Say want to say something?
No.
You're gone.
Makipon na, ikaw mo ng tipon, ang mga subo. Eksakto po yan, ang isubo, yung nagayamin eh.
Bulaga na.
No worries. No worries. Just now only. Just today. Tomorrow not.
Yeah, broccoli. Put it on the viewer.
Anong siya? Anong manhikewa ang mga subo na? At
isubo. Boy, maminsan lang, hindi naman araw-araw yan. Just today. Memorable. Ang lalaglag ito sa laktan.
Bem ta makita ni Song yan.
Pag lumaki siya,
ate, di karawatan ng ante.
Nakulbot na mahabang purpose ajay. Kulbot
This is the vinegar. This is the vinegar. I have to take more.
Kaya ay uni.
uli. Ano ko ng camera?
This is video.
So every day we have tauke.
Ladies, I hope you're enjoying the food.
Thank you so much.
Hi.
Very much,
Everyone had to know this one. He's Liu Shen. Thank you for his generosity.
What do you mean my generosity? You're gonna pay for it.
I will pay double for you. But
Oh,
first
thank
of all,
you.
you're welcome. Thank you for your generosity. And
You are also very kind to come join in the celebration today.
Yeah.
And I hope Thompson and Janice will produce another one. We can do it again. And we can do it when
Yeah, they already wished that already. A girl.
A girl,
This time.
they say everyone say something.
Yeah, that's my wish. So what is your wish also? Please tell me.
I wish
One more grand.
no, I wish you wish him to have another girl.
You can
Yeah, and you?
You wish him to have another girl, right? So I wish him to have another boy. So 3 more to come. Yeah, very good. Very good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Happiness. Thank you. Hey, you're promoting more boys and girls.
You keep my friend. You keep my friend behave, huh?
He's baby.
Already? Yeah. And you produce a boy for him, huh?
I got twins. A twins boy and twins girl. Four. Okay, four. Okay.
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 Jay.
Before marriage. 4. Okay. After marriage.
Before marriage.
No, Christian cannot.
When married first, cash ko na.
No, not before. Okay.
Okay.
You can fool around, but not before. Okay.
For a while.
Sure.
No. Hey,
Is it your two not get married? When?
would you like some
When you
here?
get married?
God's will.
You invite us, ah? Sure. That's perfect time. Ilang taon ka na, sister?
What? He's saying he's under pressure.
You must born!
You look 30, sister.
Oh, thank you. Yes.
And then he looked pretty
Yeah, you look younger than your ages.
Oh, thank you very much.
Happy,
Stay happy and enjoy.
Yeah. Where are you living here? I'm just nearby. Oh, this one is Causeway Bay also.
Saan ka? Sa Fontana. Sa Fontana.
So I'm gonna end first my video here. So say bye-bye. 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 I'm gonna end my video here first. So later again because my battery is running out. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Nakarinig ako, nag-bye kayo. Nakuha ni
Bye.
Alex.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Huwag ka muna magsubo.
Wah, dari tadi nih natanggilan mo.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ako ang first